HDD, cheaper, slower, less durable, max capacity 10 TB,
Mm-hmm.
and use more energy. Means more energy meaning the voltage. SSD more expensive, faster, more durable. 4 TB, we have more than 4 TB available in the SSD right now, but this is the old one. Use less energy, so this hard disk will need less, and this hard disk will less more than this hard disk. So it's a 2.5, which used in laptop. This is 3.5, which is used in server and desktop side.
Okay.
So this is what we were using earlier. And this is
Mm-hmm.
called platter. This is called head, which read and write the data on the desk. This is a plate magnetic field where all the data is getting returned. Now we have this disk SSD cheap. So everything written on it. So compared to this one, this is more durable because you really don't have the mechanism, right? You have here motor, spindle motor. This is called spindle motor. All the time is running when you power on the computer system,
Mm-hmm.
right? So we really don't have this right now. Now we have SSD and this M.
Okay. So what is the use of this SSD? So
Same
what?
hard disk, same your storage. This is your storage device SSD.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So now the laptops are having the SSD
Yes.
or HDD.
STD is now out of syllabus. I mean, this is not available in the market.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So by
Nowadays,
default.
by default, you will see this SSD or this M2.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe if your laptop is old, maybe you will have this one as well, HDD. And this hard disk also will have spindle motor like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That will create little noise you will hear if your laptop is older than old. I mean, it's if more than 8 or 9 years ago, maybe you can say this. But from last 4 and 5 years, the production is stopped for this particular HDD, this spindle motor HDD. Now you have this kind of HDD, the chip.
Okay.
This SSD will have chip, and this will have the spindle motor like this one.
Okay.
Yeah, so last from 5 years, I guess, the manufacturer is stopped for this one spindle. Now we have this one, and this one. It's too hard.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Might be my laptop is having the HDD. When I turn on the laptop, it like makes sound.
Acha, noise, make noise.
No.
Then this should be
Yeah.
this. The hard disk should be this one,
It was
2.5
like
inch.
10 years ago laptop, but it
Yeah.
was like I bought like, just a laptop and I assembled everything
Okay.
and I made it to my requirements.
Okay.
So yeah, but it was super fast, my laptop.
So still
And I have another laptop.
your still
Yes,
laptop is super fast, is it?
yeah,
I
yeah,
mean, I don't know because maybe your data copy paste is very less because when we are copying pasting, everything is getting written erase on the platter, on the this
okay,
magnetic disk, and that will make your machine slow.
okay,
Because as soon as this getting old, this platter is getting old, the head will need a more energy to read and write the data on the disk, right? So but
okay,
in this case HDD, there is chip, right? This is IC,
yeah, yeah,
integrated circuit. So it is not like this mechanism, so it's a easy one, right? So if
yeah,
if your machine have this SSD, this should be super fast. Again, if you have M2, meaning the read and write speed is much faster than this one or this one.
mm,
Your hard disk is if this one HDD, right? Then read write speed is up to 100 Mbps per
mm,
second. If your
okay,
hard disk is this one SSD, the read write is up to 500 Mbps per second. If you have this one, then should be 5000.
okay,
I mean, super
mm,
fast.
yeah, 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 but yeah, I could see like for the past 10 days, my laptop is so slow
Uh-huh.
because I never, I'm not shutting it down. I just keep on working. Over the night also, it will be on, but it will be
uh,
on a sleep mode.
okay.
With lots of application open, like nearly like a 30 tabs are opened in a Chrome browser.
Oh.
And yeah, so nowadays it became very slow. So I have to do. So what should I do? Should I empty the temporary files and everything?
Yeah, empty the temporary files, run the command
Mm,
chkdsk/f. So if there is
mhm.
any error, any bad sector in the hard drive, that will going to fix your operating system. So
Mm.
two, three commands are there. You can run it, and you will see little bit performance upgrade on your machine. But of course, as I mentioned, if your data copy paste, data copy delete is more, the temporary file deleting will not help to increase your performance.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have option to buy this one, the SSD, because size is same for this one and
Mm.
this one, and
Can we able to upgrade?
yeah, you can able to upgrade. I mean, you can remove
But
this one.
okay.
Yeah, and you can install this one.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow, when we are done with the class, after the class, can we, see my laptop? I'll share the screen. So just let me know. I
Yeah.
mean, practically, I could able to,
Yeah. Yeah.
know.
Yeah. You would able to
that-
perform
Yeah,
the work of a hardware technician like that.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Mm.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Good.
major problem is, everybody will come with the same problem.
Yes.
My laptop is slow, so
Yes, yes, yeah. You
the
can make
basic.
it, you can make it faster by using this SSD. So you can just change the from SDD to SSD. Even the cost is for SSD nowadays very cheap. I mean, you really don't have to pay much money to buy this. It's a
Okay,
very I mean in 2000 or 3000 in Indian rupees, you will get 500 GB RAM, 500 GB disk, or in 6000 or 7000 you will get 1 TB SSD, and
okay.
that is super fast.
Oh,
Yeah, Crucial is the company, or Samsung. These two company have read write speed is very good compared to the other company.
okay, okay.
Even there is one application, crucial application, that will let you know that what upgrade option is available for your device. You can just need to run it, and that will show you the current capacity of your hardware, and how much you can able to upgrade. That they are going to show you on the screen, and even what you need to buy and
Oh,
where
oh,
you need to buy, that is also going to show you.
oh.
Yeah,
Is
so
that an application or a?
yeah, that is application.exe file. You just need to run it on the device.
Okay,
Yeah, so that is easy one.
okay, okay. Yeah, let me know that.
Yeah, I'll let you know. Yeah.
Yeah.